China is headed for a recession, and that could threaten your retirement accounts. I'm Mark Mester with American Hartford Gold. Let's get into it. Now, despite that brief surge after lifting strict COVID restrictions, China's economy is heading for a recession, and that could negatively impact stock prices due to the global economy. But physical safe haven assets like physical silver and gold do offer wealth protection against a global economic downturn. So China's pandemic recovery is not going according to plan, and that could heavily impact your retirement funds. Chinese sectors like retail sales, factory production, even fixed asset investments all coming in weaker than expected. And the MSCI China index has recently fallen into a bear market. But the world's richest man, Elon Musk, and also the world's top banker, JP Chase's Jamie Dimon, recently visited China to address those concerns. Remember, China does supply the United States with about 20% of total goods imported. But in today's fragile global financial system, the fate of the second largest economy could have a severe impact on the rest of the world. You might be asking yourself, why is this happening? One could blame geopolitics. Remember, China and U.S. relations soured after those Chinese surveillance balloons were shot down. Beijing also carried out raids on investment groups, and investors worry other sectors could actually be at risk. Now, China is a major consumer of commodities, things like oil, agricultural products, and even metals. A slowdown in Chinese economic activity could result in reduced demand for those commodities. It could impact the profitability of U.S. commodity companies, things like energy, the mining sectors. Lower profits often translate into lower stock values as well. Commodity prices did drop significantly during the 2008 global financial crisis. It caused a slowdown in the Chinese economy as well. If you remember, oil dropped 80%, copper down 67%, and corn fell 40%. But interestingly enough, during that time, gold surged from $650 to a peak of about $1,000 per ounce. One topic in the news of late is our nation's debt. So what about it? Well, as of July 2021, China was the largest foreign holder of U.S. Treasury securities, with holdings totaling $1.1 trillion. Fewer Chinese purchases of U.S. government debt, that could mean fewer funds available for government spending and programs. And it could lead to higher interest rates or even reduce government investment. If China slows its treasury purchases, that's going to further attack the value of the US dollar. It could increase volatility in international trade and even the stock market. Now, you might be sitting there cheering on the demise of an economic rival like China, but the financial reality is that our economies are very much linked together. A Chinese recession or collapse would most likely lead to a drop in American stock prices and cripple your retirement funds. But there are ways to protect the value of your retirement accounts. It's to move out of paper assets and move into physical safe havens, like gold and silver. A gold IRA from us at American Hartford Gold could shield your wealth from damage caused by a global economic downturn. Please contact us today to learn more.
Discover how gold can help you protect yourself and your family. Call today or visit our website for more information at AmericanHartfordGold.com.